For experiment 14.3, all you need is your book and a rubber band. So for experiment 14.4, we're going to make a model of our vocal cords. The rubber band should be large enough to fit around your wrist without stretching. If the rubber band is larger, it will work fine, but a smaller one will not work. So even though you can show them the difference between the hair tie.
So there is a rubber band, which is loosely about the same size. And then there is...
Here, show them how loose it is on your wrist. We don't want it tight like the hair tie on our wrist.
Yeah, there's rubber band.
See how loose it's got enough room without being stretched
Hair
out.
tie.
That's too tight. You have two hair ties on your wrist.
I found one.
Okay. Yeah. So for step 1, hold the rubber band so it loops around your fingers and not your thumb on each hand. Loops around your fingers. Don't twist it. You're gonna have it like that. So pull your hands for step 2, pull your hands apart a little, stretching the rubber band slightly. So put your hands together first. And then pull them apart just slightly. That's more than so. There you go. See how it stretches just a little bit? Now for step 3, hold the top strand of the rubber band in front of and very near your mouth and blow on it hard. You might have to move your hands up and down to position the strand properly, but you should be able to get the rubber band strand to hum because the air coming from your mouth will vibrate the rubber band and cause a humming noise. We're supposed to do what? So, try the other way, yeah. A little harder. Here, you might have to finagle it around and try different positions to get this to work. It's
Ow, your nails, Jovi.
Sorry, the doctor's